Good afternoon everyone, Tony here from My Leisure Home, and again I'm stood down at our seafront showground here in Skegness, about to take you on a virtual tour around this brand new Love Gisburn. This is a 2025 model, it's 35 by 12 foot in size and has 2 bedrooms. It has this beautiful claystone cladded exterior with exterior lights just under the apex as well, which you'll see as we get a bit closer, available on any of the parks that My Leisure Home currently work with. We'll go take a look around this one now. So as you come inside, as you can see, we're met with this beautiful open plan living space. You do have your 2 freestanding sofas, so you have a 2-seater just on this side, 3-seater on this side. Lots of space in here, and again, lots of light that bounces around the room. You will see there are a few different colour accents with the curtains that are matching throughout the whole holiday home, and this lovely grey plush carpet that separates from the vinyl in the kitchen. As Jess steps into the holiday home, then you will be able to see, she'll pan round so you can take a quick look at the electric fire. You have that beautiful wooden backdrop and surround, cupboards either side of the fire, place to pop your TV just above, and those beautiful floating shelves. So into the kitchen then, you can see again there is lots of room. You have a place to pop your microwave just in this cubby here. Lots of storage shelves and cabinets throughout. Your 4-ring gas hob and your cooker just below, and then you do have your extractor fan with LED lights as well. Over this side you have your 70/30 integrated fridge freezer, and just to the right of that your boiler cupboard with storage underneath. You do have your side entrance door in here as well, so as much as we came through the front today, most people tend to use the side entrance door where you can come in onto the vinyl flooring and not mess up the carpet. Over here you have your 4-seater dining table and chairs. The chairs in here also have a lovely grey cushioned top, which does match with the sofas as well. Pop that back. So we'll head through to the back of the holiday home now. We'll go to the master bedroom first. So you can see you have this lovely king size bed here. This beautiful wooden back headboard, so this is a feature you'll see throughout the whole holiday home, this lovely wooden effect feature. You do have a bedside table either side. I'll move this lamp just out of the way here, so you can see you have plug sockets, USB and USB-C lightning in there as well, so that's on either side of the bed. Jess is going to pan round now so you can see this does have a full length fitted wardrobe, quite large space there for all of your clothes. Just to the left of that you have a vanity table, and just above a mirror and shelf. There's also a plug socket, USB and USB-C there as well. And as she pans you back round to myself, you can see there is a place you can wall mount a TV just here as well. If you don't fancy a TV on the wall, you can hide the socket and aerial switch with a mirror or picture frame. We'll go take a look at the twin bedroom now, the guest bedroom. So I'll let Jess take you inside. Just in here you have your 2 single beds. Now these are freestanding, so should you wish to swap these out you are able to do so. You also have your bedside table just in the middle, again with that USB-C socket. Place to wall mount a TV just on the side of the wardrobe there. That is a full length wardrobe as well. And you have your mirror on the wall. Coming back through then, I'll let Jess take you into the family bathroom. So as she pans around you will see you have that full length end shower. It is a large end shower in there. Your sink basin with mirror just above, and of course your toilets. There's plenty of room in there, and then that beautiful flooring that is throughout the hallway and bathroom and kitchen. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Love Gisburn. So as I say, this is a brand new 2025 model. It is an exclusive, so this is the first one here on our showground. If you'd like to come and take a look, please feel free. We're on North Parade, Skegness. This is priced at just $41,997, and as mentioned before, can go on to any of the parks that My Leisure Home work with. If you'd like any more information or would like to book a one-to-one appointment with myself or Shane, please don't hesitate to get in touch. My number is 01754 252 877. Thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed.